Hi everyone! In this video, we will take a look at a website called PromptBase.com. PromptBase is a marketplace for buying and selling prompts. People that struggle to get desired results with tools like Midjourney or ChatGPT come to this marketplace to buy prompts and speed up their work. On the contrary, if you are good at using these tools, you can list your prompts and make money selling them. How much you can earn you will learn later in the video. If you create an account on PromptBase, you can generate images directly from their website using Stable Diffusion. PromptBase gives you 5 credits every day, so you can test 5 prompts a day for free. Let's create one image with this prompt and then compare the result with the one I got from Midjourney. It's looking pretty good, but I like the result from Midjourney more. Let's list this prompt on PromptBase now. First, we must select a prompt type and give it a name and description. I have already done that. Then we will select a price. In the next step, we will have to paste our prompt. You can either copy your prompt from the Midjourney room, or you can find the prompt in your Midjourney profile. All pictures that you generate automatically appear in your profile, and anyone can view them. For each picture, Midjourney shows you similar pictures generated by other users. You can get inspired by their prompts and improve yours. Now, we can paste our prompt to PromptBase. PromptBase will ask you to include the Midjourney version you're using within the prompt. Let's find out what version I used. On Midjourney, type /settings and hit enter. Version 4 was used. I will add the version at the very end of our prompt. We can also add a variable to our prompt. So let's do that in our example. After we add a variable, PromptBase will ask us to include an example with the variable. Next, you can give tips for your prompt. We will leave that empty. Then, you will have to upload a minimum of 5 images generated by your prompt. I have already uploaded the images earlier. Lastly, you will copy the URL to your Midjourney profile. The next step is adding the country of residence. PromptBase uses Stripe for payments, and these are the countries that are currently supported. There are mostly European countries. If you go to their FAQ page, you can see their list of affected countries. In my opinion, it is a little confusing. For example, Brazil and India is among the affected countries, but if you go to Stripe website, you will see that Stripe is available in those countries. After you select your country, you will have to fill in your email, verify your phone number, and fill in your personal details. Lastly, you will have to add your bank information. After submitting your prompt, you have to wait for approval. This can take anything from 24 to 72 hours. After your submission is approved, you will receive 80% of every sale. PromptBase takes a 20% fee. Now, let's talk about how much money you can earn on PromptBase. This is currently the best seller on the marketplace. As you can see, he has sold around 2,900 prompts overall, with an average selling price around $2.99. After deducting PromptBase 20% fee, he has earned around $6,936. Now let's take a look at a less successful seller. This seller joined the platform at around the same time as the first one, but made only 90 sales. His average selling price is also lower, just $1.99. After deducting PromptBase 20% fee, he has earned around $143. PromptBase is a relatively new marketplace. It was launched in 2022. If you are thinking about selling prompts, now is the best time to start, as websites such PromptBase are growing exponentially.
If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.
If you would like to learn how to create a speaking avatar like me, watch this video next.